Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're continuing our series about the Baja Design's application-specific LED light kits for the third generation F-150 Raptor. And in this video we're covering the A pillar mounting location, and there are quite a few different options. Now this is a popular place to mount lights. There at the trailing edge of the hood next to the side mirrors, this is about as high as you can mount lights before going above the driver's eye level. And that matters because when you go above the driver's eye level like a roof bar, you're then kind of subject to some more debris in the air, like dust, rain, snow. That can cause some glare and give you that Star Wars speed of light travel effect, which is a little bit irritating. Now, it's also a popular location because you can point the lights off to the side and give yourself a little bit of ditch lighting and side lighting so that you can see any animals or pedestrians or bicyclists that might come across your path and pose a threat. Now, before we dive into the specifics, there are three different major product types in these different kits from Baja Designs. Now, the first is the Squadron, which is a 3" by 3" pod that is tight, compact, but packs a serious punch. Then you've got the XLs, which are what's in front of me now, and that's a 5 by 5 housing, and that's gonna help throw more light up the trail at the same lumen output because of the size of the housing. And then you have their LP series, which is a more advanced, feature-rich light that packs a serious punch and is the most powerful out of all of these options. Also, all of these kits come with the necessary custom-made brackets that are steel powder-coated black, as well as the mounting hardware to hook everything up and the wiring harnesses necessary to tap into your OEM auxiliary switches on the Raptor or tie into something like the aftermarket S-Pod switch controller module, which we made a separate video about, and that's what's going in this Raptor build. Check that video out right here. Now, additionally, the lenses are swappable on all of these Squadrons and the XLs. And one of the things that they do that's really nice on these A pillar kits is they include 3 full sets of lenses. They have the spot lenses, which are totally clear, and that's gonna send the light as far up the trail in a focused beam as possible. They include their wide cornering lens, which is a fully diffused lens that sends light everywhere. And then their most popular and most commonly used is the driving combo lens, which is a 50-50 split of both. Now, they don't sell any of these kits with the amber lenses included, but those are available for purchase separately, or you can just get the nice snap-on amber rock guards. Either way, if you're ever gonna be in snow or ice, you're gonna want that amber lens because the amber color light doesn't cause glare and you're gonna be able to see where you're going. It's very key for those kinds of conditions. And because of the easily accessible location of the A pillars, I like the rock guards because you just keep them in the glove box and snap them on. So your decision is really going to come down to what size of light body do you like for the style that you're looking for, and also how much light output do you need. Now, starting with the Squadron kits, that's going to come in 2 formats. The Squadron Sport, of which each pod puts out 3150 lumens for a total of 6300 lumens total output. Or you can bump up to the Squadron Pros, which are going to put out 4600 lumens each for a total of 9200 lumens. And then you've got the XL series, which is going to come in 3 different configurations. It's going to come in the XL Sport, which just like the Squadron Sport puts out 3150 lumens for a total of 6300 lumens of total output. Because of that larger 5 by 5 body and housing, it can project the light further up the trail, basically giving you a little bit more bang for the buck. Then you've got the XL Pros, and that's what's in front of me now, and that's what's going on this Raptor build. And these put out 4900 lumens, a little bit more than the Squadron Pro, for nearly 10,000 lumens of total output. Then they also make these in the XL80s, which is the most powerful XL series, at 9500 lumens per light. That's nearly 20,000 lumens, 19,000 to be exact, and that is a heck of a lot of light to come off that A pillar. And then for those looking for the absolute pinnacle of performance off of this A pillar, you're going to want to check out the LP4 version of this kit. Now, that LP4 pod throws out 8900 lumens of forward-facing light, but also has bezeled edges with additional LEDs that will cast another 2000 lumens of light across a 200-degree plane of projection. Now, that is an incredible amount of light. That's nearly 22,000 lumens across 200 degrees from this A pillar kit. It also features an amber backlight. None of the other lights do, and the amber lights were popularized by the Raptor, and so a lot of people are looking for that out of these lights, and the LP4 is going to be the only one that offers that out of these A pillar kits, and it's going to look killer up high on the vehicle. Now, we'll put a link to the LP4 version of this kit right here and the links to all the other product variations in the description of this video. And those links will take you over to Motoroso.com. And you can shop for these products there. You can also reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. If we've helped you narrow it down, please shop with us because it supports what we do here and it's the only way we're going to be able to keep doing it. Now also check out the installation guide video. It'll be in the description as well. And then if you'd like to learn more about the behind the grill kit, that's the next video in our series. I'm gonna put a link to that video right here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, and thanks for watching.